Welcome to Olympian Cares, giving you the best in water testing and analysis. Today we're looking at the record where the State Drinking Water Quality Council is recommending designating 7 PFAS as emerging contaminants. Now, PFAS are dangerous for 2 reasons, primarily because they're forever chemicals, they don't break down easily, and they can cause cancer and other problems. So recently, the New York City Drinking Water Quality Council recommended designating 7 PFAS, as we can see here, as emerging contaminants. And should the Department of Health accept this recommendation, and I think it's a good idea through formal rulemaking processes, water utilities across the state are going to be required to test for these toxic chemicals and notify the public if elevated levels are detected. And we also know that there's not a huge federal oversight for this, so this is going to be something that's needed to be done at the state level. PFAS are a class of more than 5,000 chemicals, so there's quite a lot of them, but many of them which have been linked to harmful health effects and have polluted communities in New York like Hoosick Falls and Newburgh. And 2 PFA chemicals, PFOA and PFOS, are currently regulated in New York State, and there are 29 PFA chemicals that can currently be detected in water using EPA-approved methods. As I said, we encourage that the Council is recognizing the urgency to address these PFAS in drinking water, but there are many more harmful contaminants threatening New Yorkers' health. Fortunately, Governor Kathy Hochul can build on the Council's proposal and strengthen protections against additional emerging contaminants by signing A 126 AS 1759-A, which will ensure testing and direct notification for 40 toxic chemicals in our drinking water. We urge her to sign this legislation as soon as possible. Rob Hayes, the Director of Clean Water and Environmental Advocates, New York, said, "We can also hope that Hochul will seize the opportunity to reinvigorate New York's Drinking Water Council." So with this being said, it's always a good idea to test your water for PFAS or other potential contaminants as the State Council works to try and see how different regulations to help protect people from it can be passed.